Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a unicorn box with only paper. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. The first thing you're going to need is a rectangular sheet of paper, and I'm using some white paper for the unicorn. First, you want to just go ahead and fold the rectangular piece of paper in half. Also, you want to make sure you press down really well on all of the creases. Now you just want to fold the piece of paper in half once again. Now I'm taking the right corner and I'm just folding it to the middle line, and you want to do the same thing for the left side as well. Now once again, you just want to fold the top right corner and the left corner to the middle line, and you can, if you notice, there are two sides. There's a front and there's a back, and you want to make sure you only fold the front piece of paper. So here is the completed box. So now we're going to move on to designing the box to look like a unicorn, and now we're going to be needing a horn and the flowers. Also, don't forget to go check out my other video that I posted recently on how to make a DIY paper rose, because that's what we're going to need for the unicorn for the decoration of the box. For making the roses for the unicorn, I'm using some pink, blue, and light green paper, and I'm using sticky notes since it's already cut into a square, but you could also cut squares if you'd like. So don't forget to check out my previous video on how to make a paper rose. I'm going to need a horn for the unicorn, and for that I'm going to use some yellow paper and a yellow marker for the design of the horn. So now I'm just opening the box so it will be easier to glue on the roses and the horn, and I also have to draw the eyes for the unicorn. That's why I'm just opening it so it's easier and flat enough to draw on. Now I'm just drawing on the eyes of the unicorn with a black marker. You also want to make sure you put the eyes a little lower so that we can glue on the roses. For gluing on the roses, you can either use a hot glue gun or a glue stick, but you want to make sure if you use a glue stick, you hold down the flower so that it can stick and it will dry sooner. So now I'm going to be using the glue stick for gluing on the horn. I'm just folding the box back together. is the completed unicorn box. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.